Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to manage friends updates on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know on how to manage updates from your friends on Facebook but you don't know how. So today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage notifications of your friends update on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into your home page. And then in here, select this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen to continue. Once you tap on it, scroll down and you will see here the settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button and then select settings. And then in here, as you can see, here is the preferences. Under the preferences, you will see here the notifications. Tap on these notifications. And you will see in here, update from friends. In here, tap on this update from friends to manage it. And now you can manage notification updates from your friends. Here, you can allow notification on Facebook, and you can also control where you receive this notification on push notifications, emails, or SMS. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage notification updates from your friends, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage notification from updates of your friends, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.